Welcome back to another tutorial for the DeepSeek AI application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use DeepSeek AI for SEO and keyword research. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DeepSeek AI application on your device. And after you are logged in, you will directly be taken into a new chat page. Here you can ask any question and query that you have. Now, if you are trying to conduct an SEO keyword research, then make sure that you are using the expert version so that you can direct the chatbot to just one specific task. Also make sure that the think option is enabled, and now you can type in your command. For this example, I'm going to generate some SEO keywords for the Filmora video editor. Here I am telling the chat that I want to rank a blog post and a YouTube video about Filmora tutorial for beginners. So I would need about 25 SEO keywords, and they should be grouped by informational intent, transactional intent, and question-based queries. I have also told to suggest 5 long-tail keywords with low competition and high click-through potential. This covers almost all aspects of the SEO keyword research. Now, with the expert and the think mode enabled, let's just send this command. Now, first the AI engine will think in itself, and we can see the thinking process over here. This will take some time as opposed to the instant mode, so you will need to wait for a while. Now that the thinking process is completed, we can find the result, grouped accordingly as per our instructions, ready for us to use. You can use this method for any other kind of research as well. And that is how you can conduct SEO keyword research using the DeepSeek AI tool. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.